FLEXIN. I'm with Maverick today. Maverick, go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm Maverick.
We decided that today we were going to come out to Sycamore Grove and go on a little like nature skate type thing. So we got our boards. We're here. Let's get this started. Yeah.
Bands, that's a check talking. Take all your pants, bitch, ain't no time for talking. Want me do my dance, bands in my pocket. Come and get your mans, fire up my rocket. Oh, bands, that's a check talking.
Okay.
Nature fact number 1. The bark of willow trees contains aspirin, painkiller type qualities.
I'm Marty McFly Williams. I'm about to bomb this massive hill.
Nature fact number 2. Sycamore leaves are the toilet paper of nature.
Alright guys, so we just came up here. We're walking up this hill, right? And we find this shit. This shit. It looks just like, turn around. This dude has crap on his back. This looks just like mountain lion. You see that? We're f***ing dipping, bro. We're up in the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Alright guys, we're out here, we're walking back to the car, and we see a deer. We saw a deer, man. That shit was so cool.
He was chilling too.
He was chilling. My phone didn't load it, so I didn't get a video of it. I'm so angry.
A few inches later.
Bro, we spotted some deers. Look! Deer!
Nature fact number 3. Native Americans used to use the juices from black walnut trees to make tattoos.
I hear the drums echoing tonight, and she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation.